Hey guys, it's Josh in the Quick Speed Shop. I'm in here working on my C10 truck, which is going to be blue, but I've got another question about something that's blue, and we're going to talk about it right now. Let's go to the other side of the shop. Now this blue I'm talking about, it's my Dodge Charger Daytona project. Right now it's B5 blue, and it's actually, if you don't know what I'm talking about, this is actually a 1969 Plymouth GTX B5 blue 440 car that is going to become a Dodge Charger Daytona. I've just put in the order from Janik to get all my parts for the wing parts, and I'm reskinning it as a Charger. There's a whole bunch of videos on that. But I was originally going to paint this car B5 blue because that's what it was originally, and it's a pretty color, and it's already painted on the firewall and stuff. But the problem with B5 blue is it's a translucent color, and I've had bad luck with translucent painting my 80 Dodge project. It takes a ton of paint to get at the cover. This is very poor base coat clear coat here, but it's a metallic color, which is also hard to work on for me. I'm not a professional painter. I would like to paint this car. I've been looking online at Daytonas for a while, and B5 blue Daytonas are a rare color combination. This is going to be B5 blue with a black interior and a black stripe is what I was going to do. And I got some pictures I'll put up on the screen here so you can see that right now. Boom. So when I got into looking at the B5 blue color and the code and what's required to color code it, I'm like, man, that's a lot of work. What other colors could I paint this car? And by the way, I also have several blue vehicles. My 84 AMC Eagle is blue metallic. My 77 Ford truck is blue and white. And then this new Chevy C10 project is going to be Hawaiian blue with frost beige on the bottom. So I'm already blue centric for a lot of my vehicles. And I've got black, I've got green, I've got white, I've got a lot of different color vehicles. I got yellow. What I don't have is orange. So what do you think? Should I paint this car, not B5 blue, but V2 Hemi orange? And let me throw one up on the screen, a 69 Dodge Daytona in Hemi orange with a black stripe. Boom. So this is where you guys come in. What do you think? B5 blue with a black stripe, or Hemi orange with a black stripe, or Hemi orange with a white stripe? I like the black stripes and the black call-out decals on the Daytonas. I don't think I want to go with a white stripe, but the interior is going to be black regardless of what happens in here. So you think about that. Black interiors go with orange cars just like blue cars, but there's essentially almost no paint on this that could change that. It needs to be repainted under the hood, and the whole rest of the car is going to get changed. So changing it, I need to make my mind up on the color now, so when I start building the car I know what to do color-wise. I don't have any orange cars. Hemi orange, you know, you think of the generally, which I don't think was Hemi orange for the actual TV show. I think it was a Corvette red, so the camera would pick it up as orange on TV. But anyways, we'll say it's Hemi orange. And Hemi orange Mopars really stick out, especially Hemi orange Daytona. Like B5 blue, it's a really nice looking car. But there is a B5 blue Superbird around town a guy's got. And then I think in Buffalo, there's a B5 blue Daytona or a Daytona clone. I've got a picture of it from a couple years ago. So there's already two B5 wing cars right in my general area. I don't see any orange wing cars in my area. Oh no, the phone's ringing. Hold on, we'll pick up in a second. I had to answer a phone call there. So anyways, we'll finish it up here. So I think I'm going to go with V2 Hemi orange for the Dodge Charger Daytona with the black stripe. I've got a picture on my phone that I'm going to blast up here. I already did before. I had a white stripe on that one and a white wing. I'm going to go with a black wing. So Hemi orange, black wing, black stripe, and then black interior. I think it'd be awesome. B5 blue with black is cool too, but I don't want to spray that metallic paint and translucent paint. What do you think? And I need an orange car in my life. Don't have any orange. I got yellow, I got black, I got green, I got gray, I got 3 blues, I got a red. What else? Yeah, another black one. I got a gold one. Oh, the one with the gold car. I got some rusty ones. I don't have an orange one. I'm going orange. What do you think? Leave me a comment. We'll see you next time. I'm in here sanding body filler. This one's going to be blue. This is a blue one. I already ordered the paint. Hawaiian blue. But that Dodge Charger Daytona, she's going to be V2 Hemi orange.